Student, good afternoon. Students, today I will explain resistances in parallel combination. Students, I have given the notes and you will prepare it clearly. These are the resistances R1, R2 and R3 connect in parallel. Okay? Connect in parallel. Clear? This is the battery and this is the positive end of the battery, this is the negative end of the battery, this is the key. Okay? Having current I, but here are the current distributed in I1, I2 and I3. Clear? I1, I2 and I3. I1 in R1 resistance, I2 in R2 resistance, okay, and I3 in R3 resistance. Clear? This is the total current I. These will totally give the current I. Okay? Here this point A and this point B. At point B, current distributed I1, I2 and I3, and here joining the at point B, current will become I. Okay, students, in parallel combination resistances are R1, R2 and R3. R1, R2 and R3 connect at a same end. First end point connect at a same end, and final end point connect at a point B. All the resistances having same initial point and all the resistances having same final point A and B. This is the parallel combination. Okay, students. Now let us see. Let the resistances R1, R2 and R3 are in parallel. Okay, are parallel in given circuit. This is the circuit diagram. Okay, and battery supply the voltage V to the resistance, but here will be V, voltage will be same. You will connect the voltmeter, or here is the voltage V will be same. Voltage V will be same. V1 also V, V2, V1 here also, V1 also V, V2 also V. Okay, V2 also V and V3 also V. Clear? Means same voltage, having same voltage V. Clear? Having same voltage V. Okay, and students, R1, R2, R3 are in parallel combination in the circuit having same voltage, V. Okay, same voltage V, but currents are different in each resistance. Clear? In each resistance. Okay, here current I distributed I1, I2 and I3. Different currents I1, here different current I2, here different current I3. Clear? Students, according to Ohm's law, by Ohm's law, what? I1 is equal to current I is equal to V upon R1. Because of you know that Ohm's law, V is equal to IR. Clear? That's why I is equal to V upon R. Okay? Clear? V upon R. I1 is equal to V upon R1 and I2 is equal to V upon R2 and I3 is equal to V upon R3. Okay, clear students? it means total voltage V is equal to what? V1 plus V2 plus V3. Here total voltage student, total voltage V is supplied by the battery to the circuit. Okay, then total voltage V is equal to supply to the battery. Clear students? Here total currents distributed from this point A, I distributed in I1, I2 and I3. Okay, that's why I is equal to I1 plus I2 plus I3. Okay, and you know that by the Ohm's law V is equal to IR and I is equal to V upon R. That's why I1 is equal to V upon R1 because having same voltage but different resistance, plus V upon R2. Clear students? I3 V upon R3. Clear? And I is equal to V upon R, such that we will put the value of I is equal to V upon R. Students, in these three terms, here is V and V, same voltage V common, that's why V upon R is equal to what? V upon R is equal to V common 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon R3. Students, then here V and V cancelled out. Okay, that's why you will get 1 upon R is equal to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon R3. Students, then you will get the value of 1 upon R is equal to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon R3. Student, this is the 1 upon R is equal to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon R3. Okay, this is the parallel combination. Here students, this is the parallel combination, resistors of the parallel combination. Clear? Student, you will get the formula 1 by R is equal to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon R3. Okay students, parallel combinations, advantages of parallel combinations. Students, here is the, all of you understood this? Okay students, advantages of parallel combination. I had given the question also. Advantage of parallel combination in parallel circuit: if an electrical appliance stops working due to some defect, then all other appliances keep working normally, like this type. Okay, and second, that in parallel circuits each electrical appliance sets that same voltage 220 volt. That's why we will get the same voltage of 220 volt. Okay, and of the power supply 220 volt line. In the parallel connection, electrical appliances having the overall resistances of the household circuit is reduced to the resistances. Okay, and current from the passing power supply is very high. This is the advantage of parallel combination. Okay, understood? And each of the appliances having different resistances. These are having different type of switch. That's why we will switch off and switch on, okay, without any disturbance in the circuit and without any stopping the circuit. We will get the equal voltage and high current and reducing the resistance. Okay, understood? I hope all of you understood by this video. Okay, I had given notes already and you will prepare it. Thank you.